Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream no vanilla extract. Start by chilling your mixing bowl and beaters, then combine heavy cream and sweetened condensed milk. Whisk until soft peaks form and fold in flavorings like cocoa, fruit puree, or instant coffee. Freeze in an airtight container, stirring every 30 minutes for a smoother texture, or use an ice cream maker if you have one. Serve chilled. For flavorful variations without vanilla, experiment with ingredients that add depth. Use cocoa powder for chocolate, mashed berries for fruit notes, or cinnamon and nutmeg for warm spice. Try instant espresso for a mocha twist, or almond, extract sparingly for a nutty hint. Balance sweetness by tasting and adjusting sugar, and consider swirl-ins like caramel or cookie crumbles for texture and contrast. Chill mixtures thoroughly before churning. No-churn recipes are ideal when you lack an ice cream maker. Whip heavy cream to stiff peaks and gently fold in sweetened condensed milk and your chosen flavoring. For fruit, fold in puree and chill. For mix-ins, fold after whipping to preserve texture. Use shallow pans for faster freezing and beat or mix every 20 to 30 minutes if you want a creamier texture without an appliance. Label container with date and use within 2 weeks for best quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.